Meal prepping involves planning and prepping meals or ingredients ahead of time, depending on your schedule throughout the week. So, the success of meal planning oftentimes depends on what you need to align with your lifestyle, as well as how much time you have to dedicate to meal planning and prepping in advance. It's important to tailor your meal prepping strategy to fit in your daily routine, commitments, and personal preference. So, for example, if you only have 1 or 2 hours in a week, you might only prep all your ingredients instead of assembling full meals. But if you have like couple hours, couple days of the week, and you prefer to have all your meals prepared for the week, you can do that and just make sure that you have a balanced meal prep in the fridge for the whole week. So, in general, you want to set aside some time in the week to dedicate a few hours, 1 or 2 days a week to meal prep. You want to be batch cooking some of the items, including whole grains, so brown rice or quinoa, meat and fish, tofu, for example, batch cooking some of the vegetables. You can batch cook some of the components of a meal so that you can assemble them into different meals. You also want to be a bit more flexible so that you can use up your leftovers, or if your schedule changes and you have to eat out for some of the days, for example, you can save the meal prep meals for another day. So when you're meal prepping, you want to try to aim for balanced meals. So half of your plate being fruits and vegetables, a quarter of it being protein foods, and a quarter of it being whole grain foods. And also not forget about snacks, because generally, if we don't have easy, accessible snacks available, we might tend to eat more of the processed foods. So making sure that you have some chopped veggies, wash and chopped fruits, nuts and seeds, boiled egg and yogurt, for example, that are easily accessible and you can bring to go for your snacks as well.